Good morning ครับอาจารย์ My thesis is architecture design for shadows. Start with the number of shadows had created irreversible social problems because the number of shadows found has increased without being able to control the number of addition, especially in the parts of the temple that is the place that is both affected. The temple had to bear the burden of taking care of shadows that are stay detached, which make the shadow homeless. Secretariat in the interior in temple, which caused various problems, including dogs running across the road in front of the car, as risk of catching an accident. This dog will scatter the dirty garbage. The artillery system is not formalized, emit an unpleasant smell that foul all over the place, causing many negative effects to the temple and those who see. The number of stay is increasing every year and can be classified into type ownerless and semi-stay, which are taken care of people in the neighborhood. Often, uh, often how we find set up on the street in many different conditions, some of which are in good shape, but other and weak, we skinny, and we have strategy such as panic, fear, or aggressive behavior, ranging from the experience living alone and for many abusive or bad events. Therefore, all the problems encountered were summarized and analyzed until it was possible to design a kernel for shadows uh, and find information more to get a clearer picture of how the kernel are designed to cover every basic need of dog. From the evidence found in observation and research is summarized to lead to the design thinking principle focusing on functional area, be flexible and clean so that all dogs can share the space and stay safe. After picking the design guidelines, I designed various ideas to develop many different solutions and consider all the different aspects to arrive at the final solution. And I have taken the idea to develop a design that is suitable for many versions, improving from the problems found each step carefully to get a complete mock-up. This was to consider a possibility of fifth roof that can be cleaned from the top as well as a fold-away feeding tray. Then I arrived at a two-part modular system with a detachable plate in the front and open main canal in the back. The way this works is the main canal is made in volume with simple and easy to maintain but long lasting material. Um, and third part is a channel for one stop visit place at various locations where said dog resides. The design of the kennel open to allow the dog to go in and out independently because most stray dogs are independent dogs if they will be territory with other herd dogs, but the athlete has never been divided with a friend. This can make stray dogs feel uncomfortable and stressed. Uh, Its design provides enough space for one dog to lie, turn, run, and preferably the clear interior makes the dog feel safe. The kennel will not close as this will make the dog feel more uncomfortable. This is the structure and material used. Is the main material being cement board due to weather resistant and easy to clean. This is a case design for sick dog, also mature dog and puppy, as well as new set dog. Because in a specific case where the dog is sick and needs to be isolated, or in the case of mature dog has her puppies and is protective of her little detectable case, it will in and attracts to the kennel. This transform the open kennel to a secure kennel which protects the dog living in. When not need, the cage part can be easily detected and viewed away and store, or can also be used to keep smaller animal like a cat that need to be housed in a place. This is the structure of the case, and this is the prototype of the kennel. The kennel open to allow the dog to go uh, in and out independently inside the kennel, can turn, run, or preferably the care inside make dog feel safe and not uncomfortable. Uh, this case designing this case so dog have option for moving between indoor and outdoor cage. It can help them avoid deal with state access can be district to support safety from large dog finish ครับ